This week in Fort Valley, Georgia, science teachers and students gather at Fort Valley State University for an innovative new workshop. With full stomachs, an appetite for knowledge, and funds from a new grant, this group is changing the course of science curriculum.
Purpose of the grant was to bring the teachers who are in this local area and and train them in the area of the biotech, because they are the one that who can actually provide the pipeline of the students.
The teachers have spent the past week learning new techniques for the classroom. With these new skills, they hope to excite more students into the world of science.
We have a forensic science class there, so giving them the hands-on, letting them see what forensic scientists actually do, that could get them more excited about going into the field of forensic science.
After a full week of lab tours and hands-on learning, this group will return to their classrooms ready to share what they've learned.
Our students are going to be entering a world that is exponentially advanced from where we started. And so, the technology is so much more advanced, the knowledge is so much more advanced, and we need to advance what we're doing in the classroom to match what's going on in the real world so that they're actually prepared to make real change.
Alton Brown, a junior at Warner Robins High School, shares that this workshop can inspire more students to love science.
You're learning in school. Some kids are not visual learners, they're hands-on learners. When you walk outside, it's science everywhere.